So when I got the bed kit, it came with these, right? They go on here. So they sent me 2. But there's 4 ends. So I have 16 gauge. Just trace your pattern out. And I cut it out with Wheel of Death and then sanded it. And like I said, you don't want to watch everything. But we're going to put those on. So the one that's theirs, I'll put on the back. 2 that are mine, I'll put on the front. You won't be able to tell the difference. Maybe if they were side by side. But, I mean, it's close, man. It's really close. And I actually made mine a little bit longer. So that maybe it'll come to right there. We'll see. I got a couple little pinholes and a tack, and then we'll get on this one.
Lord, she's evil, wicked, mean, nasty. If you didn't want to know, why did you ask me? Seems I'm chasing that woman my whole damn life. Never got nothing to show for itself. Worry, trouble, and strife. She's got them evil eyes. She got a wicked grin. She got a mean disposition and a body built for sin. Oh, she's evil, she's wicked, oh, she's mean and nasty. Oh, if you didn't want to know, why did you ask me? She's got a nasty temper, she ain't scared to show. Go ahead and wind her up, bud, and just watch her go. She's got them evil eyes, they're a window to the soul that she can't disguise. 'Cause she's evil, she's wicked, but Lord, she's mean and nasty. If you didn't want to know, why did you ask me? that wicked grin. You gotta have that woman all over again. Mean disposition, cold as winter rain. Go ahead and mix it up with that nasty temper, bigger than a hurricane. Cause she's evil, cause she's wicked. Well, she's mean and she's nasty. If you didn't wanna know, well then, why did you ask me? She's got them evil eyes, a wicked grin, nasty temper, mean disposition. Lord, I got me a lazy woman. Don't know why she hang around. Spends all day on my couch, half a night on town. Here she comes, trying to call me honey. Got her fist out, want just a little more of my money. I give that woman all the love I can. She's gonna give it away to some other man. Lately things they don't seem the same. Middle of the night she called out somebody else's name. Come home from work, trying to clear my head. Found some other man's shoes underneath my bed. I ain't never had no Stacey Adams shoes before. Lord, I got a lazy woman. You know she's gotta go. My friends come around saying, man, I told you so. Full of gimme, mouth full of much obliged. Lord, that lazy woman Oh, she make me so tired. The lazy woman. Oh, lazy woman blues.
Really, 2. 1, 2, a little bit on the front one. So y'all take a break and then we'll come back in a little bit. GoPro, stop recording.